Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again at euro currency. So here I wouldn't say that something really has changed. So in general, market has completed the target that we talked about yesterday. We discussed extension to the 111.10 area approximately, so market even has moved slightly higher. And just another time, just confirming that it's coming to the major target, which is around 1180. So all these temporal stops on intraday charts and minor technical pullbacks, tactical pullbacks are just some technical noise on the way to the major target. So, and actually at this point also might be some pullback, but that will be just a minor detail, some technical reaction on the overbought situation that we have right now on the daily chart, because all other stuff points on the possible further upward continuation. Today we will get the also Fed meeting protocol, Fed minutes, so it could shed some light on the opinions of the members on the current economic conditions, rate policy and so on. So it could make impact on the market, we'll see. But in general, if you take a look at the other markets, for example, on the dollar index, we have completion of the daily butterfly patterns, minor butterfly. Here it has completed 1618 extension. So supposedly here also might be some minor reaction, although as you could see, major target still stands uncompleted right there. And even with the butterfly, as we already talked about, let's take a look that we have really straight downside action. Every day it was tail closing right at the bottom. So market has closed right on the bottom of the session. This session, that one, next one. So this obviously the bearish performance. And if here we will get some pullback, hardly it will be very significant. The same story we could see on the 10-year bonds. On 10-year bonds, you could see that despite the minor pullback here, drop of the yield is continuing. And here we already have signs of the bearish dynamic pressure. As you can see, trend remains bullish, but price action is not. Grabbers are still in place. So all these constructions suggest drop below this area. And potentially, as you can see, you could easily now recognize the possible butterfly shape. So as you understand, for perspective of the dollar, this is not very positive sign, because the yield of the currency, when it's dropping, it hurts the attractiveness of the currency. It's definitely a bearish sign for the dollar, which means that our setup that we have on the euro currency well probably should continue. So currently we do not see any reasons to change it, and still watching for a major daily target. Meantime, on euro currency on intraday charts, what we have, as I said, currently we could discuss only some minor issues. So for example, here, since market has completed the 1618 extension of the retracement, as you remember we talked about yesterday. So actually we thought that will be a bit deep retracement right from here. It was 127 extension before it will go to the 111.10, but you can see retracement hasn't happened. So maybe this time we will get some pullback. Besides, on dollar index we have completed the same 1618 extension. So from this standpoint, we could keep an eye on the 110.36 area at least. So market could retest the stop, forming approximately the same harmonic swing if it will be formed, of course. So you can see approximately the same destination point. Additionally, what we could keep an eye on, here we have not bad thrust in this final part of this action, and it might be the background for Jordan Napoli patterns. It might be at a double repo as a burn body trade. So this is also the thing that we could keep an eye on. Currently, you can see the market is flirting with the MACD. So I will show you on the futures chart. It's euro currency. So maybe if market will form the grabber here, it might be a slight spike above the stop. We're not considering direct upward breakout, upward continuation because of the daily overbought. So since market stands at overbought, in the current situation, hardly it is possible to see the direct upward continuation. More probable that will be some wash and rinse. And from that standpoint, if we will get the grabber here, appearing of the double repo sell seems more reasonable. because double repo sell could trigger deeper retracement, which is reasonable in the current situation. Market stands at about second, appearing with the grabber on the 4-time frame chart right here and taken out with the stop, also more suitable for shape of the double repo rather than bread and butter trade. But it's just minor things just to keep in mind. On the hourly chart, personally, I do not see something really special by far. So this is scenarios to keep an eye on. This is for bread and butter trade, if it will be direct downward action. No patches on the top yet, nothing. So let's keep watching. If you would like to sell the euro currency, take the scalp short position, obviously you will have to wait for patterns, because in the current environment, you can see how strong market performs. It's a bit risky to trying to sell just because market had ever sold. I wouldn't recommend to do this. So that's actually all that we could say about this situation right now. Let's wait for the minutes. Probably it could bring some life on the markets and some volatility. And keep watching on the 4-hour time frame patterns. If even no patterns will be, or the retracement will happen, this is also will be good result. So take care.